Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this mythical block brain rots in Escape Tsunami for brain rots. So this is officially the fastest way to get the mythical block. I'm going to show you the exact steps to unlock the secret badge before it gets patched. So to get the mythical block, of course, you just need to go to the mythic area in the game. Okay, so let's just go to the mythic area. And after that, you just need to find the block. This one is a mythical block but with emerald mutations. Oops. So let's just open the one that I already got. This is my mythical block, so I can just hold it and click on it to see what you'll get inside the block. Okay, so I got the Tigroli Grey Frutoni mythical, and that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.